Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Wealth Step-by-Step review video, I'd like to show you some proof of the commissions earned so far for the month of November. But more importantly in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can join the fastest growing team in Wealth Step-by-Step. And one of the benefits of that is that we give you paying members that will pay you a monthly recurring commission. And I'll show you some proof that that's already working for me. And I'm also going to show you a bit later on in the video all the free resources and all the free tools that are done for you to help you succeed and build your wealth step-by-step program. So what you'll see here is that this is my account, Barry Cross, with my details here. This is what you get when you join Wealth Step by Step. There'll be a link in the description where you can get some more information and if you want to join our team. And I'm going to log in. And what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to go to the back office here when I log in. And I'm going to show you a couple of important things. So you get what's called a spillover. So bear with me, I'm just logged out again there. Let's log back in. Okay, let's log back in here and let's get focused with the video. So sign in and we're going to go into this one here. So you go into new genealogy. This is where you get your updates. And what you'll see here in this first matrix, there are two levels. There's level 1 and there's level 2. And the way the compensation plan works is that within level 1, the only income you can earn is this $10 bonus. It's called a fast start bonus. So you'll see that I've referred Terence. It says there sponsor Barry Cross. So I've referred Terence on the 23rd of November. So I get the $10 fast start bonus. Now the fast start bonus can add up. If you look on one of my previous videos here on my channel, then you'll see so far that I've earned $80 in fast start bonus. So don't underestimate when you start doing your own promotions. We give you all the free tools and resources and training. It's all done for you. So when you start promoting yourself, the fast start bonus can add up. And that's one of the income streams where you can get into profit fast. So the total commission here that we're looking at is a combination of fast start bonus and also monthly recurring commission that you earn from those within your matrix. So you'll see here it says the blink indicates fast start bonus. So this month so far I've earned $30 in fast start bonus, and the other $22 has come from monthly recurring commissions from those members within level 2 of my matrix. Now, just what I want to do here is just go a little bit more into, I'm just going to log out here and show you the power and the potential of what you can earn with this pay plan, because I've had a few questions about it. And I'm going to go on to pay plan here on the home page. And this will explain things a bit more detail, but I want to show you the long-term power and potential. So this is matrix 1, and there are 3 matrix. But we're going to focus on matrix 1. And the reason we're going to do that, actually, this is where you start to put the foundations in place and build wealth step by step. What I'll do is I'll just get my little pencil out here, and this will help highlight things a bit for you. So what we're concerned with, first of all, let's have a look at this level here, level 1. So when I showed you level 1 there, what you saw was my first level. I got 3 accounts in my first level. Go back over here and show you. So I've got 3 accounts in here, level 1, and that's now full. So with it being a forced matrix, what happens is that all the members and all the paying members It's important to note these are paying members, and you earn $4 a month from each paying member have to go into level 2 of your matrix. And you'll see I've only got one more here to be filled, and then I'm going to go into level 3. So this is a long-term program. We're not looking to, the spillover can be a little bit, it works. I'll show you. You've seen there on here, jumping backwards and forwards a little bit today, but you'll see that this yellow one here was spillover for me. This one here was spillover for me. So the spillover works, and you earn monthly recurring commission from that spillover. So we recommend you do a combination of your own promoting and also get spillover from the from our team rotator. So even though it says here 0 monthly, what that means recurring income. But you can get your fast start bonus like I've done. You can still get a fast start bonus. Let's call that FS. You can still earn a fast start bonus on that first level. And this is where it starts to get interesting, because on level 2 is where you can also earn a fast start bonus, but you start to earn a monthly recurring income. And then once you've filled your 9 levels, you're going to get, so you'll see here, this is the commission. We said it's $4. So it's $4 in commission per member. And 9 times 4 equals $36 per month. As long as that level stays full, you're going to get $36 every month. I'm going to call this RC for recurring commission. So that's automated income. That's what we're looking to build. Now, if you think that you're paying $15, you get a free autoresponder at this level as well. You're paying $15 per month, and you're getting paid $36, then you're in profit. So straight away there, you're in profit. You're not only in profit, but you're going to stay in profit as long as these members are happy. And then we start with doing your own promotion, and with our team spillover on level 3, 27 times $4. So you'll see I'm nearly onto my level 3 here. I'm almost onto level 3. I just need 2 more members and I'm on level 3. And then once I've filled up my 3rd level, I'll be on 27 times 4. And this is what we're aiming for, to get over that $100 a month recurring income. And again, that's RC. And then level 4. So we're looking long term. You do your own promotion. We promote for you as well. But the bigger the team gets, then the faster the spillover will occur. So it's putting the foundations in place. It's building our team. Our team is the fastest growing team. And that would be $468 in recurring income. So you can see, and this is the first of, there's 3 matrix. This is matrix 1 of 3. So I want to show you the potential there, and just show you if you stay with the program like I've done. I got off to a good start. I was given where am we? Go back into here. I was given this member in the rotator. You'll see sponsor is Frank, so that was spillover for me. I referred that one. So I've had 3 spillover so far. So it does work. And let's have a look now at the resources we're going to give you. So it's important that this is a done for you program. We even teach you traffic as well. So if you're brand new and you're struggling to make some commissions online, then it's a great program for beginners as well, because all the free resources are done for you. So we use the Leads Leap platform, and with Leads Leap you get a free lifetime membership. and we use what's called share codes. And if you're not familiar with share codes, it's just copy and paste in these codes here into Leeds Leap and a few clicks, and then it will all just literally automate and get an auto populate and give you these lead capture pages and give you your own link to promote. It's really simple and really beginner friendly. And you'll see here we've got video instructions as well. And I'll mentor you one-to-one if you get stuck with anything as well. I'll help you. So got all the lead capture pages. We've even got the email series. So we recommend you build a list to follow up. That's where you earn most of your commissions, following up. So we've got all the free tools and resources for you as well. So we've got everything you need. And we even teach you traffic. If you don't know where to get good traffic from, we'll teach you where to get good traffic from. We've got everything you need within our team to help you succeed with wealth step by step. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth as well of my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every single week, and I've now got over 800 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer those questions for you. And I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you more information on wealth step by step, also more information on joining our team. And then if you want to join our team, we're here to help you succeed and build a successful wealth step by step program. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.